sana to, no? Parang gusto ko ito nilagay mo eh.
Agosto. Chaka, chaka, chaka.
Kunin niyo yung walis ng buo. Huwag niyo yan, hindi yan lalaruin. Kunin niyo yung walis ng buo.
Bakit siya nang hindi ko nakikita sa kasi ate may say? Ay, hindi.
Dapat pag pinatahimik ka nung tatahimik.
Tapos, binayaran niya na yung utang niya kay mama mo.
Hindi pa.
Utang niya ba yun?
Pero natas na mama ko siya. Nag-discuss siya tapos. Wait! Daddy, akin na kasi!
Mamaya na.
Nasi-shake niya yung
May ginagawa pa.
birthday, Donya! Ano? Happy birthday, Donya!
Donya?
Donya!
Kala ko Donya.
Mukhang demonyo!
Ang demonyo.
Sino yan? Ate Bin.
Huwag nga ako dyan sakit.
Wait lang, ang gulit mo naman eh.
Si Santarella! Yan yung aming luto. Kita mo
Nakita na, baby.
who is devil is old. Hi, happy birthday, Lola Loria. May nahuli ka. May nahuli akong ano. Daddy, may nahuli akong mamangga. May nahuli ako. May nahuli ka. Namin narrow. Kinakakin is what to do. Hula, 60 is old. Dado?
Wag.
Daddy. Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Lord! Yay! Happy birthday!
Bigla mo ano? Napising.
Bakit?
Video mo na lang din.
Oh, yan.
Hey, kumare.
Tanga, kumpare ko si Nonong nang hindi nakakita. Nung kasal, kaya na kumpare na, kumpare na pisan. Parang ikaw.
Ulo may aso. Ayan, mama.
Whiskey yan, si Whiskey.
Whiskey.
Happy birthday to Ray!
Muriyaw! Sino lang, kakit.
Sige po.
Ay, paano pa kayo hindi pa nag-blow?
Ate, itanong mo kay ate. Ate.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger, pushing each other to the limits. We were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. Only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told. I was writing about everything I saw before me. Once I was 20 years old. Soon we'll be 30 years old. Our songs have been sold. We've traveled around the world and we're still roaming. Soon we'll be 30 years old. I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still savvy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old, Mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
So guys, we are here! Tingin Hi! Ang lubat-lubak dito. Ang lupak-lupak. Lubat. Ayun o. Kita nyo guys yun? Ayun o. Pinaparakaan namin. Ayun o. Kita nyo guys? Lubak na lubak kasi ito.
Oo.
Ito?
Hindi. Ayan kasi. Sige na, ano muna. Walang tubig dito. Akin na picturean ko muna si ano. Naka-record. Ayun baka oh. Ay baka. Puta ang lakas naman.
Ay, basag!
Dapat ano.
Ama, ano rin pala, mabigat.
May ano tubig eh.
Wala.
Meron. Nakuha na ka ng video!
Bato. Hindi. Ibato mo doon. Hindi ko sabihin bato.
Ready? Set, go! Wait! May sasabihin ako!
Kukunin na naman yan ito. Siyang bida
Kasya na naman ng ano yan.
bida dyan, oh. Kukunin yan, oh. Tama, oh. May sasabihin daw.
May sasabihin ako sa'yo guys. May team leader.
I don't need that. Dumambling kayo.
Ayun na yung anak mo. Magpapatay na.
Parang tatalo na lang tulay.
Ano na yun, Albert?
Ikaw pa, ikaw nga.
Ano, kaya mo yan? Kaya mo yan? Oo.
Ako tatampo ka. May nagkaano gagawin doon.
Ang wawawo.
Wawo.
Sino gawawo doon?
Se, butwe. At pangwe. Kaya mo i-shot din, kuya.
Alis kayo dyan, alis kayo dyan.
Kaya mo mag-shot doon.
Ang galing ah.
Ba? Oo.
Patalagin mo natin.
Hup! Wow!
Kami!
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Ayun na, ayun na.
Ayun na, tarkami na.
Ayun na.
Diba? Ayun na, teka na.
Oops. Ayun na, inom na siya. Maubos siya kaya yan? Tingin natin. Boom.
Inom tubig. Inom tubig. Di ba lalo mauubos niya yan?
Oo nga no.
Huwag pa yun.
Oo, paubos na. Ubos.
Kasi babasain niyo tayo. Magagana siya.
Ubos! Ang galing. Oh!
Ubus na.
Ubos? Ubos.
Ubus.